Hey guys, welcome back to Ray's Extreme Engines. Here we are with the Holley system. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Share this video. I've been getting a lot of feedback on the FiTech system. It's happening to more than one person. There's people commenting on there that they're having the same issues that they're having oil going inside the intake. They're also having the same problems. They say that the customer service through FiTech is very difficult. I know how it is because I got the emails to prove it. I got the phone calls to prove it. So I went with the Holley system. Here I am. This is a Terminator X Stealth. This is not the one with the transmission controller. The reason I didn't do that is because I already have a transmission controller. So here's your ECM for it. It's small. I'm going to put this inside the truck. This is for your map sensor. And of course, here's your wiring harness. This is it for the wiring. Of course, you have another one here. This is for the battery. And of course, your oxygen sensor. Here you go for it to an extension. Here's your screen. And of course, you have more wires for your accessories. If you're going to run to the coil or to the tack on your MSD, and of course your temperature, which CTS, and all your sensors are here. Here's your TPS, and also this is for a map sensor on the outside. If you're going to run an outside one, this also has an internal one. I think I'm going to go with the internal one because it does not come with a map sensor. You would have to purchase it separate from Holley, which they range from 100 to 200 bucks. I don't plan on spending that for that, especially if there's an internal one here. And the internal one, they actually give you some fittings that you can plug in here, and then you can put a hose on it, which is good. You can run this hose back to the carburetor, to one of these. You have them here. You have another one here, and of course your PVC valve. So here it is. This is what it looks like. It's kind of heavy, but looks like it's built good. Here's your injectors, one on each side. There are 4 total injectors. I can tell you one bad thing, but it's just a minor. They forgot to put the idle screw on here. So I took off the idle screw from the carburetor because I went to go purchase some, and I thought I had them right, and apparently these don't fit on here. I did test it out there, and it worked out there, but it won't fit here. So I might have to try it again, or I may just order one directly from Summit or Jegs. That's carburetor, but that is what they forgot. You may say, what do I need the idle screw for if it's computerized? Well, you're going to have to set your IAC anyway. So that's what that's there for. Other than that, here's the system. I'm going to start installing it. I may start today, here in a few minutes. Start removing the carburetor. And I'm going to put this on there. The reason I'm going to put it on here, I want to test, fire it. I want to run it. I want to make sure everything runs good. And then I'll put it in here in a few days. That's what I'll be doing. I'll put the motor in there, transmission. And hopefully we'll get this truck running. This is my shop truck. Of course, it's just like a carburetor. I do have, these are 6AN fittings. So there you go. I just wanted to show you this. It looks not that complicated. Here's all your wiring. I don't think